VFX. Hello everyone, welcome to another video review thingy. So people from JustSketchMe reached out recently for me to do they want me to do a review of their app. So let me show you that. This is the website. I will leave the link below. So it's a quick pose app. It's really simple. So here's some of the features. So fully postable figures, multiple characters and styles, adjustable lighting, etc, etc. And it has a free version and a paid version. So let me show you that here in a moment. So this one is the free version, and once you open it, you get this. I think, well, you can play with the different type of setting here. So light and dark mode, took the ambient lighting off, strengthened the spotlight, put hard shadows on it, take off or put the outline, etc, etc. Yeah, it's really simple to play and work with this. It's really easy. You just get here and start moving around, pinch to zoom out and in, and really simple. You have your models in this corner, but you have a few more, so you can put multiple figures at the same time and post them. You got a few more, but you can see the little star in the corner. That's for the paid version. So what else you can put here? Baby, it's creepy as fuck. It's fun, and you have the option there. You can keep adding models and then try to post them. You can see really simple. You get these handles so you can move around. And for example, let's bring this one and move it a little bit forward, then go back to pose mode and play with the head. This is for free, so it's really it's really nice to play with, really simple. So I don't know, I see myself doing this, using this app for, I don't know, I'm maybe in a coffee shop, I don't have my PC or something, so I cannot access to DAS Studio, something more powerful, and you need a quick reference. This is really really handy, to play with. Because your character, you have your lighting as well, you can move around like this, really simple. And that's all you have. So you can save, I think. Well, no, you have to pay for the pro version to get access to these more than 150 poses and presets, say with the hands, and import images. But for the free version, this is all you got. You can add shapes and props, but the little star as well. So let me show you the paid version. Here is the paid version. You can save it as well as an app. So let me show you that. You can see the small icon here. And so for the paid version, you have the realistic models now to play with. Same deal. This is really weird because this model don't have limitations like in DAS or Poser or something like that. So you can get really weird with this. So you need maybe a picture or something for do something that feels natural. But other than that, it's fun to play with. And now you have as well the poses in the pose library. So you get you have this already presets. Some are a little bit weird, like the models are not that realistic, and it can get really nasty, especially in the joints. let's see where else something really, like for example, oh, this is nice. You can play with and get good results, but you can see here in the chest and the arm here looks weird as fuck. But you can play with this and see where this leave you, and hide the little dots. Also, you can pose the hands. Let me show you real quick. Like relax it. So you have two right and left, and you can add really easy to something that is closer for what you need, and then just keep adding movement to that. So let me show you with Procreate. So you can do multi app view. Well, I don't know the name, but you can just open Procreate on the side and just start sketching. You can, let me see, just finding a good spot here. Okay, something like this, and lock the camera so you don't move it accidentally, and just start playing. Let me see if I can find my brushes. Must use it. Okay, and you have your typical open. No. Okay. Okay, now it's working, and you start playing with this, and you have your model dancing. Really quick here. Let me see. I haven't played with Procreate in a while, so I need to adjust again. Okay. Here's your pose. Now, it's really nothing else to this app. The paid version, so let me show you the pricing for this. The pricing, you have your free option, and you have your $6 a month, or if you pay monthly, I think you have to pay $9. So it depends on what you want. If you need it, I guess if you have clip paint on the iPad, you don't really need this, but because you have 3D models and you can download a lot of stuff that people post in clip paint. But if you don't like that app, or you don't want to pay the huge amount of money for monthly for an app, you just stuck with Procreate or Art Studio Pro. You get the free version and you start playing with and have your post immediately. So yeah, let me show you. I don't know what else to do. Let me add some VFX. I don't know. Pew pew pew. Some rocks flying around. Why? I don't know. It's maybe a superhero or something. Okay, so that will be all for this app review. Let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know if you want some other app, or I don't know, whatever you want me to review, or give you my opinion. I will try to do another video soon. So yeah, thanks for watching, and cheers. See you in the next one. It's creepy as fuck.